welcome to Simple Things. Today's video is about converting any image into PDF. Nowadays, every document, whether you are a student or working, the documents are asked to be submitted in a PDF format, right? So we'll see how to do that easily using a mobile. We'll see how to convert an image into a PDF using an app or using an online converter. So first let's open our Play Store and search for an app. We're going to do this using a ClearScan app. Okay, so let's see, just search for ClearScan app. I have already downloaded it here, so I'm just going to open it. So this is the interface, this is how it will look like. Okay, many options are there, that's why this app is my personal favorite. As you can see here, you are having two options. Okay, you can select an image from your gallery or you can directly take a picture using the camera option here. I'll show you both. So first we are going to take a picture using the camera option, so click on the camera, see, and I'm going to take a picture of a textbook here. As you can see, just take a picture. And then here you can adjust. Okay, this is why I like this most. In most of the online converters, most of the app, this adjustment feature is not there. Okay, so whatever we have, directly we'll have to convert. Here all the options are there. Other than that, so many other options are also there. You can rotate it. If you have taken the picture upside down, you can rotate it. You can make it full screen also. So once it is done, click on the tick option. Okay, and then see, as you can see in the top portion, so many options are there. Okay, you can adjust the color, you can decide whether you want black and white or color, and whether you want it to be a document or a photo. Just see how it will look like. If it is a photo or a document, then you can select all these options from here. You can undo also by clicking on the clear option. So I'm going for the documents format and click on the tick mark. Okay, so that document is uploaded now. Now I'm going to take another picture from my gallery. As you can see, just simply I'm selecting randomly two pictures. We'll see. I have selected the pictures, just click on the OK. You can select as many pages, as many pictures as you want here. Okay, together we can convert it into one PDF, and after that many options it will show. You can skip it or you can adjust and select whatever option that you want to. I'm going for the photo option here. See, any that you can decide which one you want, black and white or color or whatever you want to, and click on the OK option here after selecting. Now we can adjust it. In this picture, I'm going to crop the picture just to show you how to do that. If you want only a portion of the picture, you can adjust it like this. Okay, you can adjust the length of the picture that you want it. That much only it will come. It will crop its own by its own and it will come as it is. You can rotate the picture that I showed before, just like this. And then once you have selected, click on the tick mark. And then another option, this I'm going to select fully. Once you have selected all the pictures that you want to and adjusted according to your wish, you can click on the tick mark and all the pictures will appear here. Once all the pictures are selected, now you can adjust and decide which picture should come first. Okay, because it will come in PDF, it will come in page number 1, 2, 3 like that you can decide. Just click and drag, select and drag like this. You can adjust and decide which one should come first. once it is done, the small square boxes under each picture, you can select and decide what all the pictures that you need to be converted as PDF. You can decide if you want to skip one particular picture, that you can select, and then click on the PDF option here. As you can see, click that. That is the most important step here. Once you click on the, after selecting, once you click on the PDF option, your PDF is created. It is as simple as that. See, as you can see, it is been created. It will come in page numbers 1, 2 and 3, as we have selected 3 pictures here. Once your PDF is created, you can directly share your PDF using the share option here. Directly you can share it to any app you want to, or else you can save your PDF using the more option here. Click on the save to storage option and save your document in your mobile itself, so that you will be able to use it whenever you want to. So here you can give the file name and then storage folder that you can select where you want to store your picture, and from there you can select it afterwards. And after that, click on the save to storage option. Your PDF is created and it is saved in your mobile. Now I'm going to select it from the downloads. As you can see, the PDF is there, simplethings.pdf. click on that, it will be open. As you can see, it is very easy to convert an image into a PDF. Now I'll show you how to convert it using many online converters are available now. So how to do that online also I'll show you. So search in Google for any image to PDF converters. It will show you many converters that are available. I'm going to go for the smallpdf.com website. It is a very useful website. Other than converting an image into PDF, many other options are also available in that. As you can see here, you can convert a PDF into other format as well. You can compress it also. So you can choose your files from there and select the pictures that you want to from your mobile. And after that, these are all the options that are available. Once your picture is getting uploaded, you can click on the create PDF now option there. Now it is being uploaded. Click on the create PDF option. Now your PDF is being generated. So easily it is being converted. Now you can download your file. It will be downloaded into your mobile. One downside to it is you can adjust what all the things that you want to edit or not in that. Directly it will be converted into a PDF, but it is very easy to convert it. Options which are available, just go through that. Other than converting an image into PDF, as you can see here, if your PDF is very large, you can compress it using the in this website. Convert any type of image format, whether it is JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, any kind of image format can be converted into a PDF here. Other than images, you can even convert a Word, a PPT, an Excel, or any kind of document. You can convert it into a PDF in this website.